Are you looking for the best anti-aging cream? In this video, we will look at some of the top anti-aging creams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. At number 1, we have the CeraVe Anti-Aging Retinol Serum. Dimensions of this product are 1.5 by 2.2 by 5.2 inches, and it weighs 2.4 ounces. The CeraVe Retinol Serum is developed with dermatologists designed to help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to repair the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides. This gentle formula is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and non-irritating. The retinol is encapsulated to secure gradual release with minimized irritation. It helps to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, while essential ceramides help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. Hyaluronic acid attracts hydration to the skin's surface and helps the skin retain moisture. Niacinamide, as a convenient multitasker, helps repair a compromised skin barrier while improving the appearance of the skin. The proprietary multivesicular emulsion delivery system continually releases active, moisturizing ingredients to secure steady, 24-hour hydration. At number 2, we have the Arvesa Anti-Aging Retinol Moisturizer Cream for face, neck, and décolleté. This product weighs 5.6 ounces. The Arvesa Retinol Cream is the combination of some of the most potent anti-aging ingredients on the skincare market, including retinol complex 2.5% and hyaluronic acid. Purified water helps to increase moisture instantly, while vital plant infusions stimulate hydration, helping recharge your skin cells. This formula is rich in antioxidants and other active ingredients that boost its effectiveness to help you look smooth, supple, hydrated, and plump day after day. The powerful mix of vitamin E, aloe vera, green tea, jojoba oil, and hyaluronic acid helps to deeply moisturize dehydrated skin and strengthen skin cells against premature aging and environmental aggressors. The retinol complex helps diminish the severity of fine lines and wrinkles. This cream helps stretch and fill in wrinkles by promoting your skin's natural production of collagen. At number 3, we have the Maryann Organics Collagen Cream. This product weighs 6.4 ounces. The Maryann Organics Collagen Day and Night Anti-Aging Cream effectively supports the protective layer of your skin, helping to diminish external damage. It slows down the aging process by stimulating collagen production, fighting oxidative damage, and promoting peptide production that results in optimal protein functioning. Collagen is a very common protein in your body as an essential building element. Free radicals poke holes in and break down your collagen fibers, causing the skin to thin. This powerful formula features hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, citric acid, vitamin C, combined with collagen to neutralize this damage, bearing a strong anti-wrinkle effect. These ingredients work in harmony, supporting cell renewal, boosting elasticity and skin radiance, and reducing the signs of age for a fresh, younger-looking face. All ingredients are organic, GMO and gluten-free, and not tested on animals. At number 4, we have the Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Daily Facial Moisturizer. The dimensions of this product are 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.3 inches, and it weighs 4.8 ounces. The Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Daily Facial Moisturizer features SPF 25 sunscreen to protect you from the harmful UV rays while tackling wrinkles, uneven tone, and loss of skin resilience. This anti-aging moisturizer targets the 3 skin issues that age you the most, providing visible difference within just 4 weeks. Formulated with vitamin C, shea butter, and glycerin, this daily face cream features hexanol technology, clinically proven to help smooth the look of wrinkles, even skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and visibly firm the skin. The broad spectrum SPF 25 sunscreen secures protection against both UVA and UVB rays to help prevent the premature signs of skin aging caused by the sun. This moisturizer is suitable for everyday use as a part of a regular skincare routine. At number 5, we have the Kleem Organics Anti-Aging Retinol Moisturizer Cream. The dimensions of this product are 2.4 by 2.4 by 2.9 inches, and it weighs 5.4 ounces. The Kleem Organics Advanced 2.5% Retinol Moisturizer is a light but rich cream that absorbs immediately into the skin to allow you to quickly apply your makeup after just a few minutes. It provides a fresh, comfortable feeling all day with a 72-hour hydration boost. The formula is not greasy, doesn't leave a sticky, oily feeling, and doesn't irritate your skin or provokes breakouts. It reduces signs of aging and hyperpigmentation through cell renewal and photohealing, restoring skin elasticity through deep hydration and collagen synthesis. Your skin tone is revitalized through nourishment and increased blood circulation. The high percentage of bioactive ingredients act at a cellular level, best to work through the night when the skin is most receptive, to smooth and visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So that sums up the top anti-aging creams. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.